Hey guys, I'm Chef Delz and welcome to my channel. In this Father's Day special, I'm going to show you a quick and easy rum ball recipe for which you will require just a microwave oven. In a microwave proof bowl, combine 5 tablespoons flour, 5 tablespoons castor sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, half a teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons dark chocolate chips, and 2 eggs. You can substitute with about 70 grams of condensed milk. Then using a fork, mix it up till you get a nice smooth batter. Now place in the microwave on high setting for 2 minutes. Unmold the sponge and leave it aside to cool. Moving on to the ganache for the coating, we have about 100 grams of dark chocolate, 100 grams of cooking cream. Now microwave this for about a minute and a half. Whisk this up till you get a nice smooth dark ganache. So guys, the detailed recipe is in the description below. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for some more easy recipes just like this one. For now, let's get back to the recipe. Now leave the ganache aside to cool to room temperature. Then break the sponge up into fine crumbs. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking cream, 60 ml of dark rum, and 1 tablespoon of the chocolate ganache which we made earlier. Then mix it up to form like a dough and shape it into balls. Dip each of the balls in the ganache and coat them uniformly. Place them on a tray lined with butter paper and refrigerate them till the ganache sets. Garnish them with chopped nuts of choice and serve cold. Thank you for watching the video. The recipe is in the description below. Feel free to leave your queries in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe for more easy recipes just like this one.